Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and my Christmas present to myself showed up last week. I haven't actually opened it yet or looked at it because I was waiting to look through it with you. Dying to see it. I didn't wrap it for myself, but I actually might wrap it and put it back under the tree and act surprised when Santa brought it to me. This cookbook is by Jenne Bergstrom and Mike Osada. It is novel takes on classic recipes from Meg, Jo, Beth, Amy, and friends. This is the second Little Women cookbook that came out this fall and holiday season, probably because the new 2019 adaptation movie is coming out and everyone's jumping on, oh, everyone's going to have a renewed fervor. Anyway, I love the cover. They've spent money to gild it. It's beautiful, gorgeous, nice size. Wonder if they have pictures of every recipe. This book belongs to, I'm going to write my name in there. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to take a peek. Oh, I don't see a picture. The first page I turned to randomly. Okay, illustrations. This might not be my favorite if there's not a lot of color pictures. Okay. That says domestic experiences, frugal bread pudding and hash. So they're trying to make this look old-fashioned. Okay. Yeah, there are, oh, here's a food photograph, and it's meat, and I'm a vegetarian, so I'm not going to look. Let's check out the table of contents. Chapter 1 is based on Meg, an omelet for mother, ice cream made by lovely Peg. Meg and John's plentiful wedding lunch has some recipes, domestic experiences from the Dovecote. Chapter 2 is Jo, molasses candy fit to eat, gingerbread nuts for roars. Okay. Chapter 4, Amy, lovely pickled limes. I'm going to sneak over and see on page 82 how they handled it in this book, because in the other Little Woman cookbook that came out recently, they did, I think, if I remember right, lime cupcakes with a lime on top, or so. I don't know, they kind of whipped out. Okay, apple jelly. Amy's little artistic fete, or fete. Christmas ball supper is nice, featuring a whole bunch of stuff I cannot pronounce because it's French. Okay, and that's what would have been served during the era. Okay. Chapter 5, Lori, blancmange for sore throats, peach pickles for the P.O. Christmas supper for Mr. Lawrence, jolly picnic lunch at Camp Lawrence. Chapter 6, The March family. Hey, did I skip over Beth? I skipped over Beth, sorry. Toast for tea, the history of a squash, dainty dishes like beef tea, immodest chicken, vegetable soup, hot lemonade, toast water, and apple water. That is fascinating. I can't wait to check that out. Okay, going back to chapter 6 because I screwed up. Hannah's plain wholesome victuals. Christmas breakfast from the Angelkinder, or angel children. The March's Miracle Christmas dinner. Happy surprise tea and apple picking holiday. These all sound very, very charming. Okay. I am going to peek at page 82, if I can find it, in the Amy chapter, and see what they did with the pickled limes. Lovely pickled limes. Salt, water, Mexican or key limes, and that's it. Okay. They actually pickled them. Thank you. I might actually try that. So a few pictures here and there. I'm kind of disappointed, but the little vintage illustrations are charming. I just like to see pictures of what stuff's supposed to look like. Then again, here's a recipe for wholesome cucumbers. I should know what a cucumber is supposed to look like. Fine. Nice illustrations. So, I'm going to read through. There's little inserts here. In Victorian times, ladies would carry around a muff, a cylinder of fur to warm their hands. So it's good. We're going to learn a lot about history throughout the process. Christmas breakfast from the angel children. I'm going to definitely read that first because it's almost Christmas as I'm filming you this video. So this was your cookbook look through of Little Woman Cookbook. Are you tempted to buy it, or did the lack of food photographs kind of turn you off? Let me know in the comments below on the video. And thanks for watching.